village market paragraph. Paragraph. A village market in Bangladesh is a vibrant hub of activity, where the heart and soul of rural life converge. Nestled amidst the idyllic landscape, these markets serve as pivotal centers for trade, social interaction, and the exchange of culture. The sights, sounds, and smells that permeate these markets are emblematic of the rural way of life. Every market day is a spectacle, where villagers from surrounding areas gather to buy and sell goods. Farmers proudly display their fresh produce, colorful fruits, vegetables, and grains, showcasing the bounties of their labor. The market also offers an array of traditional handicrafts, textiles, and household items crafted by skilled artisans within the community. The atmosphere is one of camaraderie, as villagers catch up on news, share stories, and build bonds. The market becomes a platform for the exchange of not just goods, but also ideas, where elders impart wisdom to the younger generation. Children weave through the crowds, adding a touch of innocence and liveliness to the scene. Amidst the stalls and stalls, the calls of vendors hawking their wares create a symphony unique to village markets. The aroma of street food wafts through the air, tempting passers-by with the flavors of local cuisine. Amid the hustle, negotiations between buyers and sellers ensue, showcasing the art of bargaining that is an integral part of these markets. A village market is not just a place to buy and sell, it is a reflection of the community's identity and heritage. It is a living testament to the resilience of rural life, where tradition and modernity coexist. As urbanization spreads, these markets remain a crucial part of the social fabric, preserving the essence of Bangladesh's rural ethos.